Ever closed a huge deal and felt like celebrating with a luxurious vacation or a top-of-the-line gadget? Sales reps around the world understand the thrill of crushing quotas and earning big commissions. But what if there was a way to take those commissions a step further and turn them into dream experiences? Introducing Spiff. That's where Spiff comes in. Spiff has become a popular platform for sales incentive programs, SIPs, allowing companies to incentivize their sales teams with rewards beyond just a traditional commission structure. It offers a wide range of rewards options, from merchandise and gift cards to travel and experiences. The Salesforce connection. Now, the question on everyone's mind, is Spiff owned by Salesforce, the giant CRM, customer relationship management, company? This is a common misconception, but the answer is no. Spiff is an independent company with its own unique platform and focus on incentive programs. Spiff versus Salesforce solutions. While Spiff isn't owned by Salesforce, there is some integration between the two platforms. Spiff can connect with Salesforce data, allowing for seamless tracking of sales performance and automatic reward distribution based on predefined goals. This integration can be a major benefit for companies already using Salesforce for their CRM needs. Benefits of Spiff. So, why are companies choosing Spiff for their sales incentive programs? Here are a few key benefits. Increased motivation. Spiff's gamified reward system can keep sales reps engaged and motivated, driving them to achieve higher levels of performance. Flexibility. Spiff offers a wide range of reward options to cater to different preferences, ensuring there's something for everyone on the team. Data-driven insights. Integration with CRM platforms allows companies to track the effectiveness of their incentive programs and make adjustments for optimal results. Alternatives to Spiff. Of course, Spiff isn't the only player in the sales incentive program space. Other popular options include QuotaPath, Calidus Cloud, motivational incentives. Each platform offers its own features and benefits, so it's important to compare and choose the one that best suits your company's needs. Whether you're a seasoned sales leader or just starting out, sales incentive programs can be a powerful tool for boosting team performance. If you're considering implementing a SIP, Spiff is definitely a platform worth exploring. However, don't forget to research other options and choose the one that best aligns with your specific goals and budget. Call to action. Have you used Spiff or another sales incentive program platform? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful content on all things sales. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.